Hi, my name is Bruhath, and I go to Limerick High School. And I chose to do the smart glasses because I was inspired from Meta's smart glasses, and I wanted to make a version of my own. So for my first milestone, I set up the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is just like a mini computer. It has USB ports, Ethernet ports, and it also has HDMI ports, so you can view the Raspberry Pi's UI on a display. And so, as part of my first milestone, I set up a software called Tiger VNC, which allows me to remotely view the Raspberry Pi's UI on my laptop so I can see what's going on. And I also did a headless setup called SSH, which allows me to remotely program the Raspberry Pi to do several things, such as take a photo, all through VS Code on my laptop. And in order for these to work, the Raspberry Pi and my laptop have to be on the same network. And I also have to specify which port to use on VS Code in order to access the proper SSH server of the Pi. So now I'm going to demo the second part of my milestone, which is taking a photo. So I have some code here. So how the code works is essentially it uses a Python library called PyCamera2, which allows me to access the camera feature of the Raspberry Pi. So it took a photo, and the photo gets saved onto an SD card right here using a software called OpenCV. So I'm going to show the photo now. Yeah, so again, it just took a photo of the wall. Yeah, and so for my challenges, one challenge I had was figuring out how to flash the SD card. That took me around like 30 or 40 minutes, and when I was following the tutorial, it just wasn't working on my end. Also, this was the first time I was interacting with the terminal because I need to use the terminal to download, Tiger VNC and also OpenCV onto the Raspberry Pi. For my next steps, I'm going to attach this to my glasses, and I'm also going to start coding the object recognition algorithm. Thank you.